Secure confidential information using Steganography for e-business or SCISE is an application that are developed to provide a steganography tool for user to use to embed secret messages into their cover message to secure confidential information. Before we move on to the introduction, let us introduce ourselves first. Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Nur Safia Ashikin binti Shanizal and my matrix number is 01DDT20F2008.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Sani Syafiqah binti Bibit and my matrix number is 01DDT20F2021.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Amisha binti Muhammad Fairuz. My matrix number is 01DDT20F2044.
Introduction. One of the reasons why intruders can be successful is most of the information they acquire from a system is in a form that they can be read and comprehend. Intruders may use the sensitive information to reveal it to another rival's company, modify it to misrepresent the business organization, or use it to launch an attack to the company. Hence, we propose one solution to this problem, which is by developing our project, which is Secure Confidential Information using Steganography for e-business or SCISE. Our project will be working on one of the techniques, which is steganography. Steganography is the art and science of embedding secret messages in a cover message in such a way that no one apart from the sender and intended recipient suspect the existence of the secret message. There are two problem statements, which are the information intruders are acquired from a system is in a form that can be read and comprehend. Secondly, is the information can be vulnerable after users encoded their secret messages into an unsuspected file. The first objective is to develop a steganography tool for users to use to embed secret messages into their text and images. The second objective is to implement a mutually decided password in our application. Now I will let Hanis to present the next slide.
Thank you, Safia. Now let's move on to scope project. It has two user scope, which is the first one is business owner and the second one is staff. So for scope business owner, they can be able to encode their secret message into unsuspect file to their staff and able to decode and receive the secret message from their staff. For scope staff, the first one is able to encode their secret message into unsuspect file to staff or business owner. Second, able to decode and receive the secret message from staff or business owner. Continue for scope project, it also has system scope. We use Microsoft Visual Studio and integrate development environment from Microsoft to create computer programs, website, web application, web service and mobile application for our project. We make use of C# as our programming language. C# is a programming language developed by Microsoft that runs on the .NET framework. Next, project significant. Business owners and staff can be rest assured that their private business information is being secured. We expect with our project, it can influence the business industry to prioritize in ensuring their sensitive information that are being kept as private within their organization. Other than that, we also expect that with our project, it helps every business owner and staff becoming more confident in handling private matters. Our project can also be used to allow business organization to pass vital information within or outside of its structure, while still maintaining a high level of secrecy, which are often necessary in today's corporate world. Next, I will pass the presentation to the Amisha.
Now I will explain a little bit regarding the literature review. This is a literature review of our project which shows the differences between secure confidential information using steganography for e-business, audio and video steganography, and fusion of watermarking and steganography for protecting image ownership. Next, I will explain about the literature review summary. This is our literature review summary, which is our project. SCISE has different implementation that use two combination of steganography, which is text and image, to hide the information. It is proposed steganography for information related in business. To prevent from intruders to obtain the confidential information, the application also provides a password so users can be rest assured that their confidential information will only be read by their intended recipient. Next, this is the methodology of our project, which we use an agile methodology to develop this application. Next, I will explain a little bit about the cost planning of our project. Cost planning is an important part of cost management in projects that enables project managers to estimate, allocate, and control any project costs within a budget set. Below are the following list table that shows our estimate cost regarding software and internet data plan that we use to complete this project, where we use 0 ringgit for the Microsoft Visual Studio and 35 ringgit for the Umobile GX38. So the total cost planning of our project is 35 ringgit only. Lastly, this diagram is the Gantt chart of our project, where it shows the development of our project from week 1 to week 14, where it consists of project proposal, project development, deliverables, and project presentation.
That's all from us. Thank you for listening.